Experience uninterrupted views, where water becomes part of the daily routine. A private enclave shaped by light, crystal clear lagoons setting the rhythm of everyday joy. Where greenery frames every path, and space is designed for people to connect and truly belong. Architecture that commands attention. Clean lines, soft tones, balanced spaces. Low-rise homes with open views on terraces, giving you space to flow with nature. Homes open through modern Mediterranean terraces, embracing lagoon living. The Cove, lagoon living redefined.